Hey everybody, welcome back to Creating Scenery for Microsoft Flight Simulator on MyPhysical World and science videos. This is your fall 2023 channel update. Give you some ideas, things that are in the pipeline for the channel. I'm not changing anything. I just have to let you guys know, because this channel has two purposes: physical science and Microsoft Flight Simulator scenery creation. So I just want to let you guys know I have a lot of people that come here for the cartography, geographic information system videos, and general science stuff. To let you guys know about that is I do have some science videos coming up. They take a while for me to do my research and get those ready, but I'll be putting some more science videos up this fall, so please stick around. If you haven't subscribed, please do. That would be awesome. And if you feel inclined to support what I do on this channel, you can always buymeacoffee.com/myphysicalworld. I'm not in it for the money, but it helps for, if I need storage space on my computer and, fix my microphones or whatever it is, every dollar helps. Obviously, I don't go out and spend it frivolously. I promise. I put it right back into what I'm doing. Buying research material, whatever it happens to be. So yeah, we got some science videos coming up this fall that I hope you will enjoy, even you Microsoft Flight Simulator scenery creators. Now, back to the scenery creation videos. I am continuing the Bag of Pie modifier video series. Matter of fact, I'll be recording the second one today. The other big thing that's really going to happen in the next couple weeks, is I am going to do some updating of videos that I did before, especially the free resources video. I'm going to make a brand new 2023 updated resource video with, as of October 6th at 10:19 a.m. Whatever the current software, open source softwares that I use for creating scenery and all that kind of stuff. So I'll get a new list up. Plus I'll be going through the video descriptions, the video description, and I'll be updating, making sure that all of those links still work for all the different products that I use. Some have changed, and I want to get those up to date for you as well. In terms of me creating scenery, I'm still working on Huron County, Ohio, which is the area that surrounds my 5 Alpha 1 airport that's available on flightsim.to for free. Like right here, I am working on the courthouse. Okay, and this one's taken a while. Sometimes I work for a few hours or a day or so, and then I just have to walk away for a while. So this has taken a while, but this is the courthouse that I'm working on. A couple things about me. I have a master's degree in physical science. I've been a cartographer for, goodness sakes, 40 years. Doing geographic information systems. I specialize in natural hazards, such as floods, earthquakes, tornadoes. Chased tornadoes for a while, but I write applications for natural hazards, that kind of stuff. And cartography, I make a lot of maps. I have a map store. There's a link in the description if you're interested in looking at that. I'm not You know, I sell some maps, but people really don't like paper maps anymore. But whatever. You can download my digital maps. Do whatever you want. But anyway, I digress. I also dabble in a whole bunch of other stuff. Most of them are hobbies. I do paint. I do aviation paintings in acrylic. I do landscapes and stuff like that. Matter of fact, there's a couple pictures right back here. I got a couple SpaceX launch paintings that I made. I got my VC-25A painting back here. Obviously, you can see that I make models. Okay, just a nasty habit I've had since I was little. Actually, I am little, but younger. Okay, but I do a lot of painting. I got my model table here, and I make some Star Trek dioramas for an organization as well. I also do 3D printing. Matter of fact, if you got to figure out which one it is, here's my Boeing 777. This model is something like 23 years old, 24 years old, and I have sanded it and repainted it with a new livery on it. But I have also, if you guys saw a long time ago, I made a video about in Blender of me making a 777, and my intent was to make a 777 for the flight simulator. But actually, I'm not good enough to compete with PMDG. I'll never be like that. But anyway, I thought at the time that I thought I'd want to make an aircraft, but then I got a little carried away on the model. Okay, I'm making everything for that aircraft. So that is not going to be a flight simulator model. I'll leave that to the pros. I think it's just a little bit too detailed. I think there's something like 3 million polygons or whatever. It's just too big for flight simulator. So I use it for my own enjoyment to learn new techniques. I try out new techniques for Blender and stuff like that. That's actually, that aircraft, that 777, is actually what I used to learn Blender years ago. Okay, but I'm updating it and stuff like that. And then just last week I decided that I am going to build a 1/48 scale model of it. And so I started printing it out. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing that. Matter of fact, if you kind of look, I'm going to step back away here, but this is 1/48 scale 777. The one behind me is 144 scale. So yeah, big difference. Big difference. But anyway, I'm making this. I'm 3D printing all the different parts and putting that together. So yeah, I dabble in that. So I do acrylic painting, oil painting. I build models for hobbies, and I make scenery. Now, the big thing that you're going to see, hopefully this fall, is I'm going to start providing merchandise for you for the MyPhysical World aviation themed stuff. And I'll have some science stuff as well, but these are created by So Creations. That's SOAKKREATIONS. But they're going to be putting out my merch. This is a stainless steel drinking cup. It's high quality stuff, and the artwork that they do is unbelievably beautiful. So I'm going to be making actually a video of this coming up this fall as well. This was just a gift to me since I'm a United States Navy fan. So they gave me a Navy cup. But they're also creating cups and all types of stuff with MyPhysical World logo and some aviation theme backgrounds to it. So you'll have a chance to order that kind of stuff if you'd like. That's coming up this fall as well. But anyway, I am rambling. This is your channel update for fall of 2023. I hope you guys all subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell, thumbs up or thumbs down. That's okay with me. Let me know what you think of me. Boy, that's kind of dangerous. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys coming and watching this old man ramble on for half hour, each week or so. You guys are awesome. I love seeing your scenery. I download as much as I can of you guys' work. I don't critique it. I would never do that to you. I just like to see how other people are doing their sceneries. I'm a huge fan of many of you. I think Federico and Steven, you know who I'm talking about. Super Spud, you guys are awesome. I even learn from you guys. I really do. This is such an awesome community, and I really appreciate every one of you guys for watching my videos. Hey, I'm over 2,100 subscribers. I just cannot believe it. It's just unreal. Thank you very much. And coming up, like I said, got some science videos that I'm working on. But for you scenery designers, in the next day or so, you'll see the second Bag of Pie video modifier video coming up, and more to come. And thanks for coming, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.